The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Makticom, TAV Urban Georgia, Silk Road Group Holding, IDS Borjomi Georgia, Tbilisi Energy, LLC Transport and Warehousing, Georgia Cement, BGO Group, also known as Lion Finance Group, which entered the FTSE 250 index, the Spanish Aqualias Georgian branch, IG Development, the investment company owned by Mindia Sabanadze and Sokar Midstream Operation, are the companies that attracted the largest investments in 2025. Last year, foreign direct investment increased by 7.6%, reaching $1.68 billion. Among the top companies that received the most FDI in 2025, the financial sector ranks first, real estate holds second place, and the transport and logistics sector ranks third. According to National Statistics Office of Georgia, the company Eagle Hills Georgia was included among the top 10 companies that made the largest foreign direct investments in the country in the fourth quarter of 2025. This is the first time the company has appeared in the ranking of major investors. The European Union removed the Hulevi oil terminal from its 20th sanction package against Russia. This was stated in a letter from David O'Sullivan addressed to Georgia's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maka Bojorishvili. Military actions initiated by the United States and Israel in Iran, along with the closure of the Strait of Hormuz by Iranian armed forces, led to a sharp increase in global oil prices. Against this backdrop, fuel prices also increased in Georgia. Price adjustments at branded gas stations in the country began on March 7th. Since then, prices for regular gasoline have increased by 4.15 tetri. Euro diesel prices have risen by 12.32 tetri. The government revised its earlier decision to ban the import of cars older than 6 years. This was announced by Prime Minister Kobakhidze at a government meeting. Currently, vehicles older than 6 years are subject to an excise tax of 0.8 Georgian lari per cubic centimeter of engine capacity during customs clearance. Under the proposed changes, the rate will increase to 4.5 Georgian lari. Starting February 1st, 2027, Georgia plans to ban the sale of carbonated drinks, soft beverages, alcohol, and still water in plastic bottles. If implemented, Georgia would become the first country in the world to completely ban PET plastic bottles. Businesses are opposing the planned plastic ban, warning that it could lead to financial losses, workforce reductions, closure of some companies, loss of up to 2,000 jobs in the sector, and a 2.5-fold increase in price per liter. Despite multi-million-dollar investment already made in the sector, companies are arguing the government to halt consultations before implementing the PET ban. A ceremonial symbolic capsule-laying ceremony was held for the foundation of the first tower on Ambassadori Island, Batumi. The event, attended by Prime Minister Kobakhidze, members of the Georgian government and the leadership of the Autonomous Republic of Hajara, and the total investment of the multifunctional complex is expected to reach $200 million.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.